Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST CE Tapered Denim Riding Jeans. Okay, the all-new RST Tapered CE Denim Riding Jeans retail for $174.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos or pricing changes. Only when the product itself has been completely
redesigned.
That's
yeah,
right.
Woohoo.
It's my disclaimer, bro. Don't judge me.
I know.
Okay, let's start off with sizing.
Well, I just want to say I haven't worn jeans since 4th grade, and I am no longer in high school.
Because kids think sweatpants are pants.
I gotcha.
Okay.
And these things look pretty sweet. I feel like a cowboy right now, ready to ride a horse. Not.
Right. Or a motorcycle.
But yeah, I'm 5'11", 170 pounds, and I have like a 29-inch waist, and these are a 30, and they fit skin tight. But
you have really big quads.
yeah, the quads.
To be fair,
my quads are pretty big, but they feel great. They look great, and I'm gonna give you a 360 now.
Super clean styling.
Don't check me out. That'll be a little odd, but
you get to your destination, and I think what's gonna be great with these, you get to your destination,
and they look pimp.
They look good.
Yeah.
100%. Now you're probably gonna start wearing jeans again, aren't you?
Yeah. You gonna let me buy these, Brian Van? No.
You gonna buy a pair?
Sure.
Perfect. Okay. When you wear a pair of pants like this, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get yourself a certain measure of protection while maintaining a very high level of comfort while riding, okay? These jeans use the stretch denim chassis. It's a robust denim, and it's backed up by CE Level 1 certified armor in the knee and shin. This is fully adjustable. We're going to show you this in the second part of this video. You can adjust this almost infinitely.
Yep. And again, when he means knee and shin, I mean shin. It ends right here.
Yep.
Ends right there. So it's pretty
But
legit.
that's a key impact zone. There are pockets in the pants that accept hip armor. It's not included. We do have that available independently on the website. So if you want to add some protection in that area, you can do that too. Now also, in all the key impact areas, knee and shin, hip, and the seat of the pants, they are reinforced with aramid Kevlar fibers, okay, abrasion resistance. And then what they do to mitigate comfort is they put on the other side of that like a nice mesh and or a cotton liner. How do these feel against your skin?
They feel great. They're actually really, really comfortable. That's the thing that I hate about jeans is, when I was younger, I used to have these ones, and they almost had like pajama feeling on the inside,
It was weird. And now these are not weird.
Now these are not weird, but also I was a little afraid that these things were going to feel rough and irritate the skin, but they're pretty sweet. And also one thing I tested out is these don't really pinch the back underneath my knees, so
which is
that's
good.
A plus side too.
Length. These are available in short, tall, and standard. Max is wearing the standard right now.
In a 30.
In a 30, right? And those are perfect.
Perfect.
And you're not short.
I'm not short.
At 5'11", you are
5'11".
You're not short.
Yep.
So I feel for most, if you're probably north of 6 feet and you prefer additional length than the long, if you're probably like 5'5" or something, then maybe you would want to consider the short. Most people fall into that, 5, 6, 7, up to about 6 feet. Obviously, at 6 feet, you're going to have a perfect amount of length.
Yep, perfect. We're good.
They look fantastic. They sell at a very affordable price. If you like what you see so far and you want a little more detail, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to get these off, take them apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST Tapered-Fit Denim Riding Jeans from the inside out. We're going to turn these inside out. We're going to show you what this pocket looks like, right? It has an adjustment system for the CE Level 1 knee armor, right? The knee armor goes in this pocket. You're able to move it up and down almost infinitely in that knee and shin area to get the perfect fit for you. They also include pockets for the hip armor. We have that stuff on the way from the UK right now, so we'll have that here in stock. If you want to add that to the pants, we'll have the ability to get that done for you. Constructed using a robust stretch denim, and then reinforced with aramid fibers. You can see that when we turn it inside out. We've got a mesh and a cotton liner on the inside for comfort. Super clean styling with these jeans. You can see what they fit Max like. They look good. You get to your destination, right? You've got protection, good clean style, which is important to a lot of people. Obviously for summer riding, what's nice about jeans like this is they have a lot of breathability. They flow air, so you're going to be comfortable when you're riding. button fly entry with a zip. Let's go ahead and turn these inside out. We can show you that adjustment system and give you an idea where the reinforcements are located. They're of course all going to be located in the areas where impact is anticipated if you happen to have a fall. It's going to be the seat, the knees, the hips, right? So here is your, and you can kind of see the outline of that armor right there. Currently it's riding in a lower position, right? They have like a little measurement here if you want to try and use that to get each side as even as possible. You can do that. That's done in cotton. The black stuff you see is mesh. Beneath that you can kind of see the outline here of the aramid fibers. You're going to find those in the knee as well. That's the hip area there. You can see the aramid fibers here in the seat, and they do it in kind of a drop liner, right? It's better than having it stitched to denim. It just makes the garment itself much more comfortable. So what happens here with this is the armor rides inside this pocket. The pocket then goes inside here, and what they've done is there is a full-length Velcro strip that interacts with the Velcro here that allows you to locate that armor in the best possible position for you so you're as protected and as comfortable as possible with these riding jeans. Another good quality article that delivers a lot of value from our friends here at RST. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.